That is not the Pioneer way. You need to act in a responsible manner. Hey, stop! That is not the Pioneer way. You need to act in a responsible manner. Let's take a look at how to act in a safe, responsible manner in this video production class. The last 7 to 10 minutes of class time is when you should clean up.
Later after this.
Organize the bin. Place and plug in video camera properly. Roll up boom mic and transfer cords properly. Put the boom mics back at the end of the day. Check the back of the mics to make sure it's not on. If you borrowed any community headphones, wrap the cord properly. For more information on how to clean up in this class, refer to the video production syllabus or Mr. Brilliant.
It's a sin to not clean your bin.